I got Tupac problems. I got Tupac problems. I got Tupac problems. I got Tupac problems. Just me against the whole world. Woke up screaming, fuck the world. My alcoholic with anger issues. Spanish strip on my latest girl. I'm a black man with 2 felonies. Couple friends, more enemies. Baby mama still stressing me. Can't believe we lost ST. Can't smile, my brother on trial. Police trying to come for us now. Lawsuits, got 2 of them now. Hit record, need another one now. I'm so stressed, need a cigarette. 80 still ain't walked yet. I'm paranoid, hugging on his tech. Brand new baby ain't talked yet. I'm tatted up, getting fat as fuck. Feeling sloppy, need to lose weight. People watching, snapping pictures. Me pissy drunk and my dudes wait. Same clothes, 2 nights, 3 models, 2 dykes. So much pain, I wanna feel high. Been up for days and I'm still high. I got Tupac problems. I got Tupac problems. I got Tupac problems. I got Tupac problems. Hail Mary, Hail Mary, Hail Mary. Whispering this baby. Dear mama, dear mama. Lord, come and save me. I got Tupac problems. I got Tupac problems. I got Tupac problems. I got Tupac problems. Yeah. If I die tonight, I'm riding right in a black band, screaming thug life. Still sinning, no religion. I ain't sure if I trust Christ. Seems like my life's out of order. See death right around the corner. Dead homies talking to me. Don't let them haters ever get up on